Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, we're diving deep into one of the most powerful tools in SQL, the case statement. You can think of it like an if-then statement that works directly inside your SQL query and will make it practical using an automobile brand and sales table. Something super relatable. Let's go. First up, our data set. We have a table called car sales, and here's what it looks like. So this table tells us which car brand is from which country, how many units they sold in 2024, what their rating is, and what fuel type they use. Let's now look at how case works step by step. Type 1, simple case statement. Think of the simple case like this. You're asking, if this column equals this value, show me that label. Let's say we want to categorize countries into regions. Here's the SQL code for that. So what's happening here is we're telling SQL, if the country is Germany, label it European; if it's Japan, Asian; if it's USA, American; and anything else, other. This is great when you want to categorize fixed values. The output will look like this. Now, type 2, searched case statement. Now, what if you want to use conditions instead of exact matches? That's where the searched case comes in. Let's say we want to group cars based on how many they sold. Here's how we write that. Let's break it down. We're saying if sales are over 80,000, mark it as top seller. If it's between 40,000 and 80,000, it's average seller. Otherwise, it's low seller. Here's the output. Searched. Case is incredibly flexible. You can write any logical condition inside it. Type 3, case in order by what if you want to sort your results in a custom way. Let's say you want all German cars first, then Japanese, then American. You can use case inside the order by clause like this. So here we're assigning a priority number. Germany gets 1, Japan gets 2, and so on. And SQL will sort by those numbers behind the scenes. This gives you full control over the display order. Type 4, case inside aggregates. Now let's say you want to see total sales by country, broken down by fuel type. You can use case inside a sum, to do this. This means add up the sales for each fuel type, but only if the country is Japan or Germany. Here's what the output might look like. This is extremely useful when building summary reports and dashboards. Type 5, case in update statements. Let's say we want to tag each brand based on their rating. We'll first add a column. Now let's fill it using case. So now each row in the table has a performance tag, and it's all based on that case logic. You can now use this column in reports, dashboards, and filters. Type 6, nested case statements. What if you want logic inside logic? Here's how you do a nested case. For example, combining rating and sales to assign a performance tag. You'll get nesting lets you make multi-step decisions all inside your select. Type 7, handling nulls with case. Lastly, what if your data has missing values? Let's say a car brand doesn't have a fuel type listed. You can use case to catch that. So you're saying if fuel type is missing, call it check needed. Otherwise, say okay. This is great for data cleaning and quality control. So that's it. The case statement in SQL gives you dynamic logic, categorization, conditional sorting, labeling, and custom aggregations, all inside your queries. If you learned something new today, give this video a like, subscribe for more real-world SQL content, and drop a comment. Until then, keep learning, keep querying, and I'll see you in the next one.